Let me ask you something real quick. If you could go back 10 years knowing what you know now, what financial decision would you change first? Not a lottery win, not a miracle investment, just one simple decision that would have made your life easier today. Most people already know the answer. And that's why you should watch this until the end. Because the biggest regrets around money don't come from what we did wrong. They come from what we never started. These are 3 financial decisions you'll almost certainly wish you made in your 20s. And even if you're already past that stage, stay with me because every one of these still applies starting today. The first decision is learning how money actually works before you needed it to. Most people spend their 20s focused on income, getting a job, getting a raise, maybe switching careers. But almost nobody spends time learning how money behaves once it's in their hands. How debt really works, how interest compounds, how inflation quietly steals from you. And because of that, money feels stressful instead of strategic. Here's how this usually plays out. You start earning. You feel rich for the first time. You upgrade your lifestyle because it feels deserved. Then suddenly, years go by, and despite earning more, you don't feel ahead. You feel stuck. And the scary part is, you don't know why. The regret comes later when you finally understand that money is a system, not a feeling. The lesson here is simple but uncomfortable. Financial literacy isn't optional, it's protection. If you don't understand how money works, you'll always be reacting instead of deciding. The actionable step is this. Pick one financial concept per month and actually learn it. Compound interest, credit scores, index funds, taxes, just one at a time. You don't need to become an expert overnight. You need to stop being unaware. The second decision you'll wish you made in your 20s is investing early, even when it felt pointless. This one hurts because it feels so obvious in hindsight. Most people in their 20s tell themselves the same story. I don't make enough yet. I'll invest when I earn more. Right now, it won't make a difference. And technically, that feels logical. Emotionally, it makes sense. Financially, it's a disaster. Because investing isn't about how much you invest. It's about when you start. Time is the real asset, not money. Someone who invests a small amount in their early 20s often ends up with more wealth than someone who invests much larger amounts later. Why? Because compounding rewards patience, not intensity. The regret doesn't show up immediately. It shows up in your 30s and 40s when you realize you're working harder to make up for lost time. When you understand that every year you waited was a year you can't get back. The lesson here is this. Starting small is infinitely better than starting late. The actionable step is simple. Automate investing. Even a small amount. Something you won't miss. The goal isn't returns. The goal is identity. Becoming someone who invests consistently changes how you think about money forever. The third decision you'll wish you made in your 20s is choosing skills over lifestyle. This is the one almost nobody wants to hear. Your 20s are when lifestyle inflation sneaks up on you. New income means new expenses, better apartment, better car, better vacations. And again, none of this is wrong. The problem is opportunity cost. Every dollar spent upgrading comfort is a dollar not invested into leverage, skills, education, businesses, things that can increase your future earning power. Here's what usually happens. People optimize for looking successful instead of becoming valuable. Then they hit a ceiling. Income plateaus, stress increases, and suddenly they're trying to build skills under pressure instead of freedom. The regret comes when you realize you could have built something quietly in the background. A side skill, a side business, an online income stream, but you chose short-term comfort instead. The lesson here is delayed gratification isn't punishment, it's strategy. The actionable step is this. Invest aggressively in skills that compound. Sales, marketing, communication, technology, Anything that increases your ability to create value independently. These skills don't just make money, they create options. Now let me tie this together because this is the part that matters most. The reason people regret these decisions isn't because they were irresponsible. It's because nobody explained the long-term consequences clearly. Nobody showed them the cost of waiting. Nobody framed money as something you design, not something that happens to you. And here's the good news. Regret is only permanent if you ignore it. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, or beyond, these decisions are still available. You can still learn how money works. You can still start investing. You can still choose skills over comfort. The timeline changes, but the principles don't. Your future self is watching the decisions you make today, and they're either grateful or frustrated. There's no neutral outcome. And if you're serious about leveling up your business and wealth game, hit subscribe for more. This is Money Tane. Stay disciplined, stay intentional, and I'll catch you in the next one.